Hi everyone! Good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to automate CJ dropshipping orders. With CJ dropshipping, you don't need any additional applications because they handle everything automatically for you. Basically, what this tutorial will do is it will connect all of your products in your e-commerce website of choice. So first things first, what we are going to do is to connect your e-commerce store with CJ Dropshipping. This will allow you to sync the products. For you to proceed, open up the browser that you are using on a daily basis. Since you can use any type of e-commerce website, what I'm going to use in my case will be Shopify. Next, what you are going to do is to open up your Shopify. Open up your Shopify by typing it in the search bar in your browser. If you do not have an account for Shopify, just sign up into making a new account. Once you have logged in into your Shopify or once you have created your account, what you want to do is connect your e-commerce website of choice to CJ Dropshipping. To do that, what you have to do is to press Add Apps on the left interface of your screen. It is on the same interface where you can locate your online store. Doing this will bring you to a new tab, which is the Shopify App Store website. Now, what you want to do is type in CJ Dropshipping. Then, after you press enter, the results of what you search for will appear. However, you only have to select this one. Once you have selected the application, it will bring you to the application page. So, what you are going to do now is to add this application to your Shopify. So, you just have to press Add App. And then, it will once again bring you to a new page confirming if you want to authorize this product to be connected with Shopify. So now that you have connected CJ Dropshipping with Shopify, whenever you access your applications, CJ Dropshipping will always appear. And when you click on CJ Dropshipping, doing that will directly bring you to the CJ Dropshipping website. So to test it out, head to your e-commerce website, which is the CJ Dropshipping in my case, then scroll down to look for any item that you may want to connect to your Shopify account. When you see an item that you may like, just hover your cursor and press connect. Doing this will bring you to a brand new page, and in here, you can see that you are in the connections page. In the connections page, you can see the products from authorized stores. So, to connect the item that you have chosen to Shopify, what you are going to do is head to All Stores and select Store and press the drop-down menu. And as you can see, there is your Shopify store. Select both of your Shopify stores, then press the Sync button. A pop-up may appear saying, "Sync may take a while. Please be patient." When you see that message, don't worry and just press confirm. Once you have done that, select the product that you want to add to your store. What will happen is it will take you to the product page. And then you can see all of the details that the product has. And when you scroll down, you will see several options. What you are going to select here is the List button. Doing that will open up a pop-up of the listing page. So in here, you can change the price and the variance. And as you can see, This item is for sale for $2. Then you can press the test box on the right side if you want to change your pricing. And as you can see, I will just edit a few of these prices, or you can edit it your price of preference. Then, when you have listed that item, you can now head back to your Shopify account. Just press Products, and you will now be able to see your automated order. And that's it! You can now automate CJ dropshipping orders. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!